My name is Joseph Martin. I'm a systems administrator here for Sphere 3D in San Jose, California. Alongside me, I have 3 other gentlemen in my team. There's one of us per site, so you kind of do have to be the jack of all trades. So today I'm unboxing the new 5th generation Lenovo X1 Carbon. This popping out mechanism of the box is pretty awesome, and everything being together like this is very nice. You can definitely tell it is smaller, and it's really great. I believe these are actually Thunderbolt capable as well, the USB Type-C ports, so that makes for really nice data transfer. I'm gonna open it now. Wow. The border on the screen is much slimmer. This is really nice. I think for anyone traveling, this is going to be like literally what you want. So I'm noticing that there's the red track point button, and I will say that they've had this in literally all their ThinkPad models since forever. I honestly do like it now these days. It's really quick and easy to use. Yeah, so here's the charger. Oh wow. So this would be the new standard charger that they made for the USB Type-C. I have not seen this yet. So it's a 65 watt, and that is awesome. God, this screen looks really nice. Just plug the charger in. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up now. I'm seeing that it's capable of 15.5 hours of battery life. You can actually get up to 80% battery life only within an hour of charging. That is really, really awesome in terms of people traveling. If you don't have time to charge or just be able to charge here and there wherever you're at, it's definitely bulletproof and awesome, industry standard for mobility, and it doesn't really get better than this.
Powered by Intel Core i7 processors.